The 2025 GMC Acadia is a premium mid-size SUV, so a little bit more luxury features than you might get from your standard base model SUV, base model mid-size SUV. We like to call it the baby Yukon because it adopts the famous C-shaped headlights that comes across GMC's lineup. It really updated it for this year, 2025, and everything looks great. Another great thing that is updated across the whole GMC lineup is its infotainment system. On the inside, I'll show you we have a 15-inch GMC premium infotainment system, and it does everything you might want it to do and nothing you don't. Under the hood of this Acadia, it makes 328 horsepower, 326 pound-feet of torque. All that means for you is that it's going to be very fuel efficient coming from this turbo 4-cylinder inline. It has plenty of power. It can tow up to 5,000 pounds with the max trailering capability package, and that is across all models and all trim levels. This Acadia comes in an AT4 trim or a Denali trim. If you're familiar with Denali, that is the most luxurious feel you can get in a GMC with premium stitched leather, heated and ventilated seats, as well as sunroof, moonroofs, and much more. If you want an AT4, you're gonna get a lift and all-terrain tires. On the inside of this GMC Acadia, you have a very similar screen and driver information setup across your terrain and your Yukon models. So this is an 11-inch driver information center. You can also customize this at the touch of a button. So I can set whatever screen I want to see, whatever is easiest for you to watch. You can even have your maps up here and not over here. That's preferable to me. It is powered through Google Maps, and of course you have Google built in with this system. You can set up multiple driver profiles to where it'll save your driver preferences. So if you're sharing this car with a spouse or a partner, you are actually going to love this setup. So here we are with Apple CarPlay. You can see all my apps on my phone, and it's huge. It's like having an iPad. It's amazing. And if I want to go back to our dealership, we can just go right there. You of course also have the option for your Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can get a Sirius XM radio subscription, so you can keep that all updated. And over here, you can select between 4 different driver modes. So even though this is front wheel drive, you still have a snow and ice mode, a sport mode, and a tow and haul mode. Now, another thing worth noting on the GMC Acadia is that you get over 15 plus standard safety and driver tech features. That's gonna include things such as automatic emergency braking, rear cross alert, blind steering, zone assist, and more. I can't even go through them all, but just know that the Acadia is one of the most safe models in our lineup. It has a 5 out of 5 crash safety rating and is a preferred model for teen drivers. That about wraps up our video on the 2025 GMC Acadia Elevation. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I really am enthusiastic about our new GMC lineup. I think it's one of the best yet to date. Again, this is our entry-level premium mid-size SUV. It has 3 rows and can seat up to 8 passengers, and this is what you're gonna get across every single Acadia. It starts at $44,645. I think that's a lot more reasonable than our starting price on our Yukon XLs and our Yukons. If you are looking to seat this many passengers at a very discounted price, I believe this would be your best daily driver option. Front-wheel drive has superior handling than your all-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive setups for daily driving. If you are in the market for a premium mid-size SUV, look no further than Everett Chevrolet GMC here in Morganton, North Carolina, or in Hickory. We have a ton of new vehicles, over 500 new vehicles in stock across 4 brands, and we also have over 500 pre-owned vehicles in stock, multiple brands to choose from. Remember, we have the best pre-owned inventory because we have the best new inventory. Come and see us.